How to hide Messenger conversation without deleting. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. To hide Messenger conversation without deleting, all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. So first thing first, subscribe to us and then open your Messenger app. Now search for the conversation that you want to hide. Here, let me hide this conversation with Meta AI. So all you need to do is hold on the conversation for a few seconds. So simply tap and hold on the conversation. And then you will see this kind of pop-up. So here tap on archive. So as soon as you tap on it, the conversation will be hidden from your Messenger homepage. So to find the conversation, what you need to do is tap on this hamburger icon located on top left hand side of your screen. And then you will see this kind of page. So here tap on archive. And here it will show all the conversation that you have hidden from your Messenger. So this is all you needed to hide conversation from Messenger homepage. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.